no one coming here? What the freak?
Hello,
Let
sweetheart.
me check it out.
How's your day?
Let me check it out. Oh,
What are you talking about?
let me check.
You lied about
Who are you? I am Mr. Ailey,
Hang on.
your personal assistant. Well, I don't need a personal assistant so bad.
Relax.
Wait, open the door.
Melvin, ready?
Someone ordered me. And we didn't order you. Maybe you got the wrong place. Open the door.
Rarely have I seen so many violations of the GIGN Code of Ethics, not to mention the law. You pursued this instance on your own and got him killed. You acted in self-defense, but the damage is still done. If it were up to me, you'd be tried and convicted. A suspended sentence at the very least. And probably prison, for being honest.
Why aren't you accepting me?
GIGN nor for military police, if the two heroes of the hour who put
Oh,
an
wait, I
end to
need to
Mulder's
fix
murderous
this.
rampage were publicly disciplined. Am I right, Jen?
Pardon? Why aren't you accepting
No
me?
place in the armed forces, even less in the GIGN. Commander, I expect more from you. You took a new recruit on a clandestine operation.
Why aren't you accepting me, huh?
UVA, your inexperience doesn't justify such a lapse in judgment. The disciplinary
Why
rule is
are you accepting me?
prohibited from participating in any operations or training without the agreement.
We didn't order. You're like, we didn't order you.
Final decision will be regarding you.
I-
Just say, this kind of job has no place in the GIGN.
We didn't order. You are it. What? I'm a real life assistant. Made with bones and skin from people.
Max,
Well, that's creepy.
I gave everything to join the
Why
force.
won't you accept me?
All I wanted was to be like you and Dad.
Why?
But what does it even matter? You're not heroes. So bullshit.
Get out of me! Bro, guys. We go to our security. Why? I don't know, I forgot. Someone's here, so. Yeah, where did he go? Go. Yeah, go. Yeah, go. Why? Where are you going? Yeah, I see it. Just go. Go, guys, go. Okay.
It's not my fault.
What's that? What the heck?
Just think.
I'm just gonna stay in here, hiding. I'm hiding here. Just accept me. We won't. Press the button, Bonnie. Why aren't you accepting me? Why aren't you accepting me? You're unaccepting me. Come here. Just open the door, that'd be nice. I sense something. Down there. Who right here? Another friend? Then I'm gonna get them. Look, it's a new friend. What are you doing here? We didn't order you. I said you're my new friend. No. I won't accept that. You said earlier they won't accept you, but when I say I don't want you, you said that's unacceptable. Yeah, because it's true. Because it's true. me. I see him. Who did that? Did you do that? What? Are you another fake friend? I am a real friend. And you're just an ordered, pre-ordered, like, animatronic? What did you just say? I said you're a pre-ordered animatronic! Get off me!
Even though he was clear.
Why did you say that? My God. Why did you say that? Get off me!
Não foi importante eu total por cima.
That's why you're doing all this. If you hadn't made that promise, you'd still be acting.
You!
The truth is, you can't.
It's all your fault! You're the one who replaced me. I was the one who was there.
Who's gonna give you permission to start? When will you?
What do you mean?
Your family.
I was the first and only one. I was the first and only one.
Because I did.
You just took my place.
I shouldn't have said what I said to him right before the mission.
You just took my place.
Max.
What the freak? You just took my place.
My son, for fuck's sake. I wasn't there for my kid.
You were the only one who took my place.
But I've never been.
Now you're gonna pay for that. Ah! I was the only one. Won't you accept that? You're just a remake of me. Now you're gonna feel who was the one. Yeah. Now you're gonna feel who was the one abandoned. Why won't you accept that? You're not a part of FNAF. I am a part of FNAF. You're not. You don't even have powers. Well, I do have powers. See, I was you once. No, you weren't. You just like grab your hands and pull yourself up. No, I didn't pull myself up. I told you I was the only one. Why won't you accept it? Well, I have powers too. Wait, why am I pinned? Why am I pinned here? Yeah, I don't want to be with this corpse. No, wait, why is it pulling me back? No, wait, please. I was a part of it.
I said there's someone waiting for you at the gate.
I can stretch. I am like You can't pull me back, please. No, no. Ah!
Not bullshit. In a couple of weeks, they'll decide what's next. I don't know what that is, but we both know you're finished here.
You killed my
The job now is to make sure this actually works without you, okay? So why would I want to hold you? Take a break. What's your visit?
You killed my friend. Now I kill you. You're gonna starve there to death. No, I won't. Ah! I can. No, no. Why is it pulling me back? I can't go back. Why am I here? Who is under that curtain? It's me, Foxy. And you weren't a part of the family. You monster! Ah! Did you just fight back? Come here. No! Please, I don't want to be your punching bag. How did Ro die? Hey guys. You won't be a part of the family. Take this. You can't do this. Well, I can. I can do everything what I want. Take this. Take this. Ah!
Most accomplished today. Keep in mind that I can
That's what you get for hurting Puppet. Now you're gonna get dragged back to where you belong.
Thanks, you're sweet.
Now you're gonna stay up there forever.
Your father had just joined the force with me. They hadn't met Jesse.
Thank God, Puppet.
They weren't even married to their stepkids.
Puppet.
Because of my job,
Puppet, why did you die? You wanted my friend.
I did a test.
Puppet.
We were over
Puppet, you were only my friend.
the day. It was the happiest day of our lives. We wanted to give you a little brother or a little sister. We tried again. Weeks and months.
Huh? Where did Puppet go?
We went to see a
I
specialist.
think she got took by the souls.
We were all
The kids' souls. She was a part of one. But now,
To them,
she's not
I
there.
always thought Ron was your father.
Now she's with the girl souls. All of those souls.
So I'll forgive you? Is that it?
You just have to say
So I said it's no
goodbye.
big deal, huh?
Goodbye, Puppet. Goodbye, Puppet.
How did you lose the
Goodbye, Puppet. Goodbye, Puppet. Goodbye, Puppet. Goodbye, Puppet. Goodbye, Puppet. Goodbye, Puppet.
Why didn't you tell me the truth after
Her
that?
lights are turning
Would
off.
it have helped you, you know? I just wanted to protect you.
Of course it would have helped me. I have a father who's alive. I have the right to know.
It's okay. At least
I was the one.
her soul is okay.
Your father died because David told him